think as long as I keep them even, I shouldn't have any trouble with it falling off of here. It wants to slip off the front of the tranny a little bit, and I might put a little clamp on there just to protect this thing in case the strap goes flying up here and choking off that torque converter like a dandelion head or something. Okay, a little in the back, a little in the front. Usually she's pretty happy. It's working, guys. Oh shoot. It wants to slip off that thing, but it's working. I'm getting the tranny up there. I'm starting to run out of cordage right here. Like I'm getting a little thick right here. I might not be able to go any further. But this is gonna be enough to get it onto a stand or a jack or whatever. The struggle has always been to get this thing under the car is easy, but then to get it onto a jack to lift it up is the pain in the butt. This is the solution, guys. This is sick. Like, I didn't even have to try to put this transmission in. Take the load off, loosen the straps, lift it the rest of the way. Yeah. It's a turbo 400 car. It's the first time one's been in this car. This is my Chevelle 1968, and it's got a Buick Grand National motor in here. It's that Buick V6. Turbocharged.